Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook. Bang, you can find it on Amazon. Just search for The Man Who Set Himself on Fire by Donald Bogan. It's Bogen. Alright guys, straight to it. Basically, you can see the title, the thumbnail. I want to show you guys two things. How you can boost your credit. Now, most of the times whenever people are doing credit repairs or whatever, they are suggested that they get a secure credit card, and usually that's about $200. And what that means is that you put up $200 and then a credit card company will issue you a credit card in the amount of $200, and they report that to the three main credit reporting agencies. Usually boosts your credit score because now you have a new line of credit on your report. $200, we can do better than that. I'm gonna show you how you can get $5,000 worth of credit, and not only that, but you can have access to tech. That's why the title is $5,000 worth of tech and boosted credit score. Also, not only that, but I'm gonna show you how you can get an additional $5,000 line of credit using another website that's going to give you access to jewelry. So like Valentine's Day coming up or something like that, you can get access to jewelry. Now, in all of these things, guys, please be responsible. However, this will give you a combined, if used both, combined total of $10,000 worth of credit that would be reported to the credit agencies that should boost your credit score. So if you in the market for a car, you're looking to refinance, or you're looking for a personal loan, this will help. But most of all, since this channel is all about gadgets, this is going to give you access, one of the websites, to tons of gadgets that you can use if you want to be a YouTuber or you just like playing around with gadgets. So enough talking. Let's jump into the desktop and I'm gonna show you the website. Let's go. All right, so here we are. The first website is the My Jewelry Club. Okay, now you can see right here, say join now for only $99. That's $100 for you to join, and then you're gonna have to pick an item at least $100, and that's how you get approved. It's very simple, guys. Once you get approved, you can see you have access to things ranging from tennis bracelets to earrings. Again, this is the credit line that they're giving you. So once you go ahead and join for that $99, and I have done this myself, it's not a scam. Once you have done this for join for $99 and you pick out something for at least $100, guys, I recommend whenever your package come in the mail, let's say if you was to buy this right here for $142, I recommend whenever it come in the mail that you go ahead and you just pay it out, and that way you have that total $5,000. So what's going to happen is after you join and after you buy, the $5,000 is going to be minus the $152 or whatever, So just keep that in mind. So you're like, well, I ain't got $5,000, take only got $4,000 or whatever, or $3,000 or whatever. Report it to my credit bureau. That's because you have a debt with them, so you pay that out if you want the total $5,000. But look, guys, let's go ahead and check out all of the things that you have access to. Think about this. If you was to buy this for $300 and you make minimal payments, your wife or significant other or whoever could be rocking these stud earrings, and you're making monthly payments. That way you're not coming out of your pocket for $300. Now there are more expensive things on here, like this, for example, $500. Let me see right here. Come right here, you can see other gold earrings, and of course you have different categories. Let me see, pendants, watches. Let's go to watches. Everybody like a watch. Most people like a watch, I should say. The weather's pretty bad, so my internet running a little slow. Come down here, you can see the different deals that they have on a watch. Again, if you just want access to credit for jewelry, look, you can get $5,000 credit, and you can just shop. Some people like to buy little knickknacks, little pendants, earrings, watches, or whatever. And instead of just, spending 4 or 5 months saving up, you can go ahead and come here. Let's go to the necklace. You can go ahead and come here and bang, I'm gonna buy this month, spend a month, pay it off. In a month or two, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna buy this, So if you into like jewelry or whatever, they have you covered. They have you covered. Let me just go back one page here. For example, let's say, I don't have the asking price of $200 or $300 or $900, boom, you got that line of credit right here. A birthday gift from your mom or something like that, sister, something like that, brother or whoever, you can come here and you definitely can get your shop on. So this is the first website, guys. It's My Jewelry Club, and you just go ahead, join for $99, pick something for at least $100 or whatever, and then you good to go. Look at this. You can have this 14K white golden modern curved diamond wedding band, $1,800. Now most people don't have $1,800 at their disposal, but because you not pay this $1,800 off over a period of months, you go to this 18K yellow and gold ring. Could you not pay that off over a period of months? Yes. But this way you will have access to that credit line. And let's say if you were to spend the $900 or the $1,800, you still have $3,000 worth of credit being reported to the credit bureau. All right, the next website we want to go to is the New Coast Direct, and I'm going to put this in the description of the video. Just wanted to make this quick video just to show you guys how you can boost your credit. So you come right here, guys, and this is what I am excited about. It gives you access to gadgets. So not only are you helping your credit, but they are giving you access to buy certain gadgets. And on this channel, we love technology. So the first thing you want to do, you want to just get that little credit application, and again, you're gonna have to spend a minimum. And what that's going to do is securing it. You can see it's a $95 processing fee, and he's spending first order must be a minimum of $100. Again, that's the $200. So $400 gets you $10,000 worth of credit. All right, let's go ahead and see what they have to offer. You come here, you see they have computer, tablets, and networking, cameras, cell phones, or whatever. Now, you're not going to find like DJI drones or whatever here, but you're going to find a lot of useful things. For example, let's go right here to computer and tablets and networking. And you come right here, you're going to see like a lot of good keyboards and stuff right here. A little shelf to organize. All sorts of goodies right here. All right. And you can go on and on and on. Wireless access points. If you're looking to boost up your signals and stuff like that, come right here. You don't have to go ahead and put up the cash, guys. You can go ahead and get this on credit. If we want to go to, let's say, they also have jewelry and watches and stuff right here, but I mainly just stick with the tech on here. All right, but if you want some exercise stuff or some tech wearables, you can go right here and get like fitness monitors and stuff right here, which is also part of tech. All right, but let's go to consumer electronics. Excuse me. And let's say you want to be a DJ. You go right here and you say, all right, you got speakers and mics and everything right here. Got wireless mics if you want to start a YouTube channel, something like that. If you do like a lot of presentations, if you want to be like Superdell, right? And Superdell have their Rode mixer, but you come right here. Y'all don't have the $600 to get the Rode mixer. You go ahead and get the $5,000 line of credit, and for $300 you can get this, and then you can get some mics that's compatible with it, and boom, you go ahead and you hook it up. It's a studio mixer. Hook it up to your computer, and you can be a professional podcaster. So these are all the things that you can do. You're getting $5,000 credits, and you're getting access to all kind of cool gadgets and stuff. Now, me, I would tell you this, that if you are basically starting off a YouTube channel, you want to review gadgets, and you don't have anyone to sponsor you or give you products to review, I would say this would be one of the ways to go instead of coming out of your pocket and buying a lot of things. That way, over time, you can kind of build up a portfolio of all the things you review without breaking the bank, guys. So let's jump back into the studio, and I'm going to share my final thoughts. All right, guys, so there you have it. I apologize for my puppy barking in the background, but it is what it is. So once again, you can have access to $5,000 worth of electronics. That's anything from speakers to microphones or whatever, cameras. Just go ahead and browse it. Remember, it's a $95 processing fee for the new coast, and plus you have to buy a minimum of $100. So that's about $200, guys, altogether. Once you complete that process, you now have access to $5,000 minus whatever you brought, right? That's going to report to the credit bureau. It's going to show up on your credit report like you just got access to $5,000. It's equivalent to getting a new credit card. When you get a secure credit card, it's reporting you just got $200 worth of credit, a line of credit. The more credit you have, guys, your credit utilization, that helps your credit score. So for $400, not only are you getting access to jewelry and not only are you getting access to gadgets, you are basically boosting your credit score and the process, and still have access to all of the great gadgets and jewelry, guys. So the my jewelry, same process. You go ahead. You pay $99 to join. You buy at least a minimum. Then you get access to all of the tennis bracelets, necklaces, and rings and stuff like that. And if you're into jewelry, over time, you can buy your nice watch and pay it out and stuff like that. And then when it's time for you to get another piece of jewelry, you just go ahead and pay as you go. There's so many pluses to this. You just have to use your imagination and see if you want to take advantage of it, or if you're just someone that, like me, that just want that extra $10,000 credit limit added to your credit report. Go ahead and put up that $400. And it's similar to the video that I did a while ago about the trade lines of credit, where you can borrow like other people lines of credit, get put on other people's credit cards or whatever, and it reports for a certain time, and reports to your credit bureau. So for example, if I wanted $50,000 of credit to show up on my report, there's a website I can go to that I can buy that from someone. Let's say it's $600. I go ahead and pay $600. They go ahead and put me as an authorized user on their account. I never see the credit card. I never have access to that $50,000, but it reports back in my name for a certain period of time. Now that's temporary. That's if, hey, I'm being strategic, I'm about to buy a house. That drops off after a while. I forget, a month or two, it drops off after a while. This right here, this is your personal credit. Now, as soon as you get that $10,000 or $5,000 boost, now you're going to start getting offers from other credit card companies or other companies that will say, hey, look, you got $10,000 worth of credit, $5,000 worth of credit. Hey, we'll give you $600 credit card, because what they see that other people was willing to lend you credit, so they're assuming that you are a responsible person, so they're gonna lend you credit. So you get that card, and let's say $600. Now you got $5,600 or $10,600 worth of credit. All right, and it just stacks and stacks and stacks until now you have access. How far you want to take it to $20,000, $50,000, $70,000, $1 million worth of credit. But you can start right here, baby steps. This is how it works, guys. Hey, it's your boy taking about them. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I told you guys 2 years ago I was gonna start studying this thing, and I did a video about velocity banking. I'm telling you, stay tuned. I'm not done yet. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.